Welcome to this lesson on AWS Security Hub, a powerful service for centralized security management. Security Hub provides a unified view of your security posture across your entire AWS infrastructure. It helps you maintain compliance with industry standards while consolidating findings from multiple security services into a single dashboard. AWS Security Hub is a cloud security posture management service that gives you a comprehensive view of your security and compliance status across all your AWS accounts. It automatically aggregates findings from various AWS security services like GuardDuty, Inspector, and Macie. Security Hub performs automated compliance checks against established standards, tracks your overall security score, and enables you to create remediation workflows to quickly address security issues. Security Hub is built on 4 core components. First, findings are security issues and vulnerabilities detected throughout your AWS environment. Second, standards represent compliance frameworks like CIS benchmarks, PCI-DSS, and AWS best practices that your infrastructure is evaluated against. Third, integrations provide native connections with services like GuardDuty, Inspector, Macie, and third-party security tools. Finally, insights are custom collections of related findings that help you perform focused analysis on specific security concerns. Security Hub supports multiple industry-recognized security standards. AWS Foundational Security Best Practices, or FSBP, covers core security configurations for your AWS resources. CIS AWS benchmarks are established by the Center for Internet Security and provide comprehensive security guidelines for AWS infrastructure. PCI-DSS standards ensure payment card industry data security, standard compliance for organizations handling payment card data. NIST frameworks align with the National Institute of Standards and Technology cybersecurity guidelines. Each standard includes automated checks that continuously evaluate your environment. Security Hub classifies findings into 4 severity levels. Critical findings have scores from 90 to 100 and require immediate attention. High severity findings range from 70 to 89. Medium severity findings score between 40 and 69. Low severity findings range from 1 to 39. Security Hub automatically aggregates findings from multiple sources, prioritizes them based on severity and potential impact, and integrates with remediation workflows to help you quickly address security issues. One of Security Hub's most powerful features is central configuration for multi-account environments. You can manage Security Hub settings across your entire AWS organization from a single administrator account. This provides a unified dashboard showing security posture across all your accounts, ensures consistent policy enforcement organization-wide, and delivers aggregated compliance reporting that gives you visibility into your entire infrastructure from one place. Security Hub integrates seamlessly with AWS native services, including GuardDuty for threat detection, Inspector for vulnerability management, Macie for data security, and IAM Access Analyzer for permissions analysis. For automation, you can leverage Event Bridge rules to trigger actions based on finding types, use Lambda functions to execute custom remediation logic, and configure SNS notifications to alert your team when critical findings are detected. These integrations enable you to build comprehensive automated security response systems. Security Hub delivers 4 key benefits. Unified visibility provides a single pane of glass for all security findings across your AWS accounts and regions, eliminating the need to check multiple dashboards. Compliance tracking offers continuous monitoring against industry standards and regulatory frameworks, ensuring you stay compliant. Automated response capabilities let you trigger remediation workflows and notifications based on finding severity, reducing response time. Finally, cost efficiency comes from reduced operational overhead through centralized security management, allowing your team to focus on strategic security initiatives rather than manual monitoring.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.